This is No Ten Shop channel. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us reach 10,000 subscribers. Eitada. This is No Ten Shop channel. We are here at Lucas Muripa Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Kaizer Chiefs 0. Brother, how's it?
No, I'm not good, but the performance was making me be better good because the guys was playing good and they played the way I was expecting. You see that girl, that boy, Kele.
Oh, that boy,
yo, Kele, Kele. Nyamfuna ukuthi namanje ngiyakutshela ukuthi next game Kele uzosponsa abafana ba la Eva Sanda 1 next season azobadla labo.
Oh, next season
azobadla labo.
No, so he booked man of the match.
Man of the match according to me Kele Joe Mokoena was not in the game. If you are according to you, if you are on the game, Mokoena was not there. The only player was there is that guy Kele. When they replaced Kele, I was angry. Because
he was injured.
He was injured, I see. But I was angry because Kele was the one who conducting the ball and making us to count attack Sundowns. Yeah, according to me, Kele was the one player that was playing today. No one was playing there.
No, thank you so much. Hard luck for tonight.
I'm very hungry.
You are hungry.
Yeah.
And angry.
It's
all about angry.
Yeah, I want Chiefs to win.
They will win next time.
Next time.
Sure.
Thank you very much.
Hola, sure.